Good morning, good morning, good morning. I slept like a baby last night. Yay. For me, I haven't slept in weeks. But anyways, guys, I just came on the top before I leave out the door, I just want to say this. Because you guys are coming with me, just in case I don't record in the store. Because lately, these people be having a lot of music playing now in the stores. So, it'd be hard to record. I'm about to go to the party store because I want to make a little basket. Not a basket, but a little goodie bag for someone. So, yeah, that's what we're running to today. And I'm also going home today. Oh, yeah. Anyways, let me get dressed and get Brianna dressed. Anyways, guys, so we're in the mall waiting for the store to open up. And that's like 5 minutes or so, the store should open up. It's crazy. Party outside. On the tablecloth. Goodie bag. Little things to go in it. And you get the snacks. And get the balloon. Yeah.
You getting some blown through the tire on the bike.
Yeah. This is what the basket is looking like. I'm about to get some balloons. Sure, we over the dollar store. I didn't do much recording there because I had to think. Okay. Okay, you guys. So we stopped at this sandwich place to get us a sandwich. We're gonna head back, okay, and I'm gonna fix up the bag. And I didn't even tell y'all who the bag is for. The bag is for his aunt. Okay. When it was Mother's Day, she bought me something. Like, oh my God, she was the only one that made me feel special on Mother's Day. She actually got me something, and I was, oh yeah. So it's her birthday, and I decided this just to get her like a little goodie bag, with little snacks and stuff in it. So yeah, like, I don't forget when people think of me and do things for me, like small stuff, because yeah, and my mommy's birthday is coming up November, so I'm also gonna do like a bag for her or whatever like that. So yeah, so we're just waiting on this sandwich, and we're gonna go back, and I'm gonna fix the bag up and give it to her. So yeah. And so this is what the sandwich is looking like. Look, it's gonna last you all day. If you want to greedy, this will last you all day. Y'all, this cup is so freaking cute. I had to get one for me. Because, you know, I'm a coffee drinker, baby. Anyways, guys, so I'm home. Brianna's father aunt, she loves the little gift we got her. So yeah. Anyways, my room needs to clean. These sheets need to change. Brianna's in the next room with my mother. I don't even know if you guys can hear me.
Was it the force? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high.
So my room is all clean. I'm about to go get Bree from the next room, and we're just about to chill and relax for the rest of the day. So I probably won't even come back on the vlog until tomorrow or something. Hey you guys! Anyways guys, so it is Sunday. We're on our Sunday drive. I'm about to take some food to my mother. Brianna's in the back there. Yeah, so and I got my coffee cup. I'm drinking all the day. Y'all, when I picked this up for his aunt, I had to get me one of these. These are so cute to me. I'm not gonna lie. But I don't think, like, I know hot water in this is gonna be crazy. Your hand is gonna be burning up. But yeah, I'm gonna put my little drinky drink in here. I have some water in here right now though. I gotta get a little hydrated before I start drinking, child. But anyways, I will see you guys when I reach my mother. Or home, okay? Home, I mean. Anyways, you guys, so we stopped at this little ghetto bar. They get us some Courvoisier. I just realized, I don't know why this nigga didn't go on the powerhouse. Why we stop at the Chinese again to go get rum? We don't do things like that. I'm trying to stop drinking from the Chinese. My girl is knocked out in the bag like usual. I don't drop the food to my mommy. It was just a quick in and out. Anyways guys, so we stopped at Course Right to get some pancake mix for tomorrow, okay? Because we've been looking for this pancake mix all over and we cannot find it. So I have to go on Google and start doing my liquor, like what I drink, like looking at the numbers or the serial numbers, because every time someone has something to say, like they be like, this isn't a real rum. Basically the Chinese is a knockoff or something like that. So I think I can go online and start looking at this stuff, because I'm not saying everything from the Chinese is bad, but maybe, I don't know. That little bottle, it gets your job done for us, so you don't need nothing too heavy or nothing like that. You know, Brianna said us be waking up through the night. We're trying to get her back on schedule because she was sick. She has this habit of always waking up through the night now. Gosh, like I always have to fucking pee. I hate drinking and driving. I'm not driving, but drinking and riding, I like it, but it's annoying because I always have to pee. Now we stopped at Brianna's father friend bar, and I know this man is sick of me. Every time I always have to use this restaurant. Okay, I forget to bring my tissue. I don't like using the public tissue. I have my tissue in Brianna bag, but I forgot to bring it out. So I didn't wipe. That was gross. I hate not wiping, but they have tissue here, but I don't want to use it. Anyways, let me wash my hair and get the fuck out of here. So about to feed the whiny baby, because she's whining and dining and crying and lying. Say hi. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. She likes camera though. Ooh, geez Louise. So as I was sitting here watching my baby play, right? Like I really want my baby to have the best childhood. Like I want her to fucking enjoy life to fullest and just enjoy life, because when you become an adult is fucking different. Okay, don't be in a rush. I want her to have everything good in life, you know, as a child. Even as an adult, like, you know, I just want to enjoy her childhood. Not spoil and rude. Don't get me twisted. But I want her to have everything she need, everything she want as a child. But still disciplined, okay? 'Cause I'm not the mother to be rude and stink. No, 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 no. But I want her to just have what I never had. And I think it's gonna be hard to teach a child to be grateful, okay? I think it's gonna be very hard to teach a child to be grateful. You know, and sometimes as parents, I think that we're gonna feel unappreciated sometimes from our children. They're gonna be very ungrateful. But I just think that's just a part about being a child, you know, until they get older and they know what life is really about and stuff like that. Some things you can't teach them. They have to learn their own. Just the universe will guide them. I don't know, it's just a joy to see my baby just laugh and have fun. Because as an adult, sometimes you don't have that. You don't have that innocence no more. You just don't have that no more. So I want her to enjoy that part of her life. And sometimes she can look back as an adult even and be like, damn, like, sometimes I'm gonna be the happiest part of your life being a child. You know. But anyways, bye. Anyways, guys, so we're back home. It's like after 7. Like, since time has changed, it's been like, oh my gosh, it feels so early. But anyways, we're back home. I'm about to chill. I guess I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay, bye.